today guys, dadalhin ko kayo sa Jollibee dito sa Abu Dhabi. So kung hindi pa kayo nakaka-subscribe sa channel ko, please subscribe guys and ring that bell button para meron kayong update sa aking mga parating na video. So please don't forget to like and share with your friends. So tara na guys, let's go! We visited Jollibee in Al Falah, Abu Dhabi. They are open for dine-in and takeaway, but we prefer to take away and eat it at home. Jollibee is a Filipino multinational chain of fast food restaurants owned by Jollibee Foods Corporation. As of 2018, they have 1,200 Jollibee outlets worldwide. So let's go, let's take our orders. Mira!
Wala po kanina, tulog siya eh.
Mira, say don't forget to like.
Hi! Ayan, sabi mo. O yung number ng ano natin, order.
Nandun sa tatay niya. Huh? Yellow? Wala.
May bangko naman. Salamat!
Free ice pa.
Kids, they're too small. I don't think. I think it will fit her. A little bit. Spaghetti. Ay, hanapin mo yung spicy.
It's time to eat. We got some burger and burger steak.
Amira!
Getty. guys. I have burger steak here and I have spaghetti here.
Oh, spicy.
I have a burger steak
It won't be spicy.
and I have
That's
spaghetti.
not spicy. Yeah, Aya, Amira.
And I got some burger here.
So all of you burger. Give me burger. Me and Aya. How many burgers? This one.
Try the burger.
Mas masarap yung cheeseburger nila.
Sarap, sarap.
Kasi lang the pork.
Amira, you want burger? Mm.
Mukbang ba yan?
No, I don't know. What is it?
Mm-hmm.
Aha. It's so, tingnan niyo po.
Mukbang burger, mukbang burger.
Manghang.
Where is the knife? I will cut for you, Amira. This is beautiful.
Ay, spicy, spicy, spicy. Okay. That's pork.
Yummy. Wallah, yummy. Hey, cameraman. Camera woman. You will not eat?
I will just watch you guys.
Lagay mo dun, ah. Pag ano.
Daddy, a princess.
Look your mouth like
You're a
this.
princess?
Princess.
Eat properly then. Oh my god.
Yummy!
You like it?
Tell Jollibee, send me spaghetti every day. Say pa, isa pang chicken joy.
You know the problem? She used to have table mixture.
It's too long. Ipot mo yung table sa kanya. Si Aya.
Because we eat here on the sofa. We didn't eat in the kitchen.
Yummy?
Look at that.
You like
Look
it?
at that.
You like
Let me
Amira?
try it.
Look at me.
Mm.
Now you are spicy.
You want spicy? There's no spicy there. Amira! Wala. Finish your food.
Leave her. Sarap?
Nag-ice cream pala siya.
Let's bring it for her.
Hello, Jollibee.
Hello.
Hmm. Hmm. Sarap. Hmm.
May maanghang doon.
So yummy. Mm. It smelt in the mouth the skin of the chicken.
Oh.
Mm.
Where are you spicy?
Here.
Where are you?
Tingnan natin kung kaya niya.
Yeah, try the spicy. Let me see.
You want?
No,
Try it.
I cannot have spices so much. Try it if you can. Spicy?
Hintayin mo. Wala pa siya.
With fire. Really with fire.
No!
Saan yung gravy mo?
Don't I have it?
Yeah, I'm almost done with it. We finished that.
You ask only to
Two piece.
spicy because no one will eat it. Huh?
I only asked two. Kasi siya sila.
Okay, we will I want to enjoy eating. Say bye to my to my fans, to my viewers.
Spicy? I don't advise you to eat it. Ooh.
It's so yummy. Take the spicy one. It's so nice, the spicy.
Okay, no.
No, you eat it.
Oh. Okay, bye. Say bye. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on my next video. Bye. I'm gonna enjoy now eating, guys. Okay, bye bye.
Bye-bye, she's hungry.
Try the spicy one. It's nice.
I'm gonna eat as much as I want.